Meaning of hue.
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 Hue. Hue refers to a particular shade or tint of a color. It is determined by the wavelength of light reflecting off an object and the sensitivity of our eyes to that wavelength. Colors can have different hues ranging from red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Understanding hues is important in design, art, and fashion, as it can affect the mood and emotion of the viewer. By manipulating hues, designers can create a variety of visual effects and make their designs more appealing to their target audience.